What is up, guys? TFG the Forest Guy. I hope everybody is having a great Sunday for you Sunday. Guys, as you can see, I am here in the Nantahala National Forest for 3 days, whitewater kayaking on the Nantahala River. Might be doing another river, not too sure, but guys, it is going to be an awesome week. I have been looking forward to coming out here for almost a whole year, and I am super excited to bring you guys some awesome whitewater content this week. It's been a while. I teased it a little bit in some of my shorts from a while back, so guys, stay tuned for all the whitewater content I have for you guys this week. And again, to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope everybody is having a great Mother's Day. To all the moms out there, you guys rock. Alrighty, guys, about to hit the river right now. Welcome to Monday. Very rainy, gloomy day here. So we're getting on the Little T River. We're gonna do some of the little bit of the easier river right now, and we're gonna see where we go. But yeah, we're about to get on the river, and we take you guys along with me.
Here's a better spot to put in a little bit further down.
Up for here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna carry my stuff over there.
And I guess we could just...
You ready to put on?
Yep.
Sweet.
I guess we'll just get the boat.
What's up?
We want to get the boat last.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you able to see me? Are you recording?
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're about to do a seal launch, if y'all can see me up here. I've never done this before, so we're going to see how this goes. Alrighty, here we go. Oh boy, all that water just got in my eye. Oh man. Woo! I thought I was just gonna go right under. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. Now we get to do it in POV, guys. I'm gonna show you guys point of view. And yeah, first person, baby. Here we go. Oh man.
You're welcome to do it again if you want.
That was pretty awesome, not gonna lie. almost went over there, almost rolled a little bit. That would have been cool to go in, or flip over and then come right back up. That would have been like such a cool move. That was a little bit of a rush there. Yeah. That was fun. What I've noticed a lot in that sequence there was how much I was doing this. Was how much I was using my legs and, you know, knees to that advantage to help keep yourself balanced. Because you can't just sit there and not do anything in white water. You have to be moving. Whew.
I think the other thing to point out is the fact that there's so many differential currents that we put our boats in and they end up turning us, you know?
I know, it's because that one back there, that big one, where it had the wave that came up a little bit, it was turning me a little bit, but I was able to like correct myself because I kind of jerked it a little bit, and it was able to push me back right so I could keep going.
That's where we talk about those counter turning strokes, and then also part of it comes from reading the water. It's a nice stroke.
I kind of
There's a nice eddy right here.
okay.
Okay, just keep going downstream.
All right. Whew.
Show me a good peel out here. Look, clean puddle.
So a little bit of a bonus for you guys. So I am here hiking on one of the river creek trails here in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. As you can see, I'm not very dressed for hiking, but we're gonna hike this trail a little bit and take you guys to some of the waterfalls up here, and yeah, bring you guys along with me. Oh.
Yeah, you feel the water grab our boat? That's why we leave, yeah? Dude, these spider webs are just amazing. All right.
All right. Those were some big waves. Hell yeah.
They're all over the place, aren't they?
I know. roll off. Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
It's called a tomahawk.
I've heard of that before. Tomahawk. Woo! Hell yeah, that's what's up.
Oh, you look so in control. Do you feel in control when you catch the setting? When you caught the setting?
I think that was the best one yet. Alrighty guys, I have made it down to South Carolina. Guys, man, what a week. What a 3 days that has been. Kayaking, I learned a lot, gained a lot of experience. I cannot wait to go back out there and do more whitewater kayaking, so stay tuned for more whitewater kayaking content coming. Don't know when I'm gonna get back. I do plan to try to go in June. Yeah, I plan to go in June, but I'm not sure. Got to look at my dates and everything. But guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and y'all know who it is, TFG the Forest Guy, and I'll check back with you guys later.